In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Slack channel message. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's get started. First things first, make sure you have Slack open on your desktop. Once you're logged in, navigate to the specific channel or direct message where the message you want to delete is located. Take your time to find the right spot. You don't want to accidentally delete the wrong message. Right? Now that you're in the right channel, it's time to access the menu. You'll need to hover your mouse over the message that you'd like to remove. As you do this, you'll notice a row of icons appearing on the right side of the message. This is your clue that you're on the right track. Among these icons, look for the 3 dots. That's the More Actions icon. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This action will open up a drop-down menu filled with options, and it gives you more control over what you can do with the message. In this menu, you're looking for the option that says Delete Message. Once you find that, just click on it. Now, a confirmation dialog box will pop up, and this is just to double-check if you really want to go ahead and delete this message. It's like a safety net, just in case you've had a change of heart. Now, since you've made your decision and are ready to proceed, you'll want to look for the red delete button in the confirmation box. Click that red button to permanently remove the message from the channel or direct message. And just like that, the message is gone. Now, it's important to note that you can only delete messages that you have personally sent. So, if you're in a channel and see something that someone else has posted, you won't be able to delete it. This feature is designed to maintain the integrity of the conversation, which is useful for keeping everything clear and organized. And there you go. You've successfully learned how to delete a message in Slack. Whether it's a typo, a miscommunication, or something you just want to clear out of the chat history, it's a simple process that can help keep your interactions neat and tidy. If you have any questions about this process or anything else related to Slack, feel free to leave a comment below. I'm here to help, and I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips. Happy messaging!